What is Git Stash?
Git Stash is a handy feature that lets you temporarily save changes in your working directory without committing them. It's ideal when you need to switch tasks, update your branch, or try out fresh code, all without losing your current progress or cluttering your commit history.
When should you use Stash?
Use Git Stash when you're in the middle of edits but need to switch branches or pull new changes. Stashing lets you save unfinished work safely and restores a clean working state, making it easier to work on something else without making unnecessary commits.
How to stash changes.
To stash your changes, simply run the command git stash in your terminal. Git stores your uncommitted changes and reverts your working directory to the last committed state. You can add a message by running git stash save message for easier tracking.
Viewing and applying stash changes.
Use Git Stash List to view all your stash changes. When you're ready, apply the changes back to your working directory with Git Stash Apply. If you want to both apply and remove the stash, Git Stash Pop does both at once.
Tips for using Git Stash effectively.
Remember that stashes stack so you can have multiple saved. Always check what's stashed with Git Stash List and use descriptive messages for clarity. For more control, explore options like Git Stash Branch to create a new branch from your stashed work.